Want to measure your heart rate with your Apple Watch? I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can keep track of your heart health easily. But before I do that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Now, start by pressing the digital crown to open the app home screen. Scroll through your apps and tap on the Heart Rate app. It's the one with the heart icon. Once inside, your Apple Watch will automatically start measuring your heart rate, which usually takes about 10 to 20 seconds. To check your recent heart rate records, just scroll down within the app. You'll see your current heart rate, resting heart rate, and walking average all in one place. For more detailed insights, open the Health app on your iPhone. Tap Browse, then select Heart. Here, you'll find advanced metrics like heart rate variability, resting heart rate, cardio fitness, and cardio recovery. If you tap on any of these and then select Show More Heart Rate Data, you'll get even more detailed analytics, including graphs and trends filtered by hour, day, week, month, 6 months, or year. That's all there is to it. Now you can easily monitor your heart rate anytime with your Apple Watch and iPhone. If this helped, be sure to check out more tips and tricks. See you next time.